Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be showing you the reveal for my parents' bedroom and bathroom renovation today. So much love went into this project and I just cannot wait to show you guys how they reacted and just the space all finished. Before we get into it, I do have some different disclaimers and also questions that I want to answer, and I would love if you guys would listen to this part just so you have all of the information for this renovation. Before I get into anything, I do want to just say thank you for all of the love that I have received over this past week and a half. It has been absolutely insane, and especially the familiar faces that I see commenting all the time, all of the nice messages, just everything. Obviously I don't have time to go through and respond to all of them, especially when I have DMDIY going on, but it really does mean so much to me, and it really keeps me going and makes me feel so warm inside. Compared to last time, especially when I did the rest of my parents' house, I feel it was a lot more controversial and I dealt with a lot more hate than this time along. I feel you guys kind of understand me better now and we're closer, and it was just good vibes all around, and I appreciate that so much. So I just want to make sure you guys know that. Now that I have said that though, I do want to remind everyone once again to please be gentle towards my parents in the comments. I don't even know how to explain how much vulnerability it takes when you're not someone who's used to being on the internet to share all of this, and then also to be filmed for your reaction to see all of it come to fruition. So I just want to make sure that you guys have that on your mind. I don't even know how I would feel if my genuine reaction was being filmed on camera like this. For some answers to you guys' questions, this renovation took exactly 1 week. I actually introduced the project before we even started on it, and then it took a few days after the fact to edit and get all of the content up there, especially this YouTube video. So it was basically as close to real time as we can get for something like this, and that's why I really enjoyed it, because I was able to take you guys' suggestions and put them into the space, so things changed around a little bit, and I love that. I think it's so fun to have so many people's opinions and be able to make the space as good as it possibly can be. I have received a lot of comments saying that this is a very young style for the renovation and that my parents won't like it and that they would like something a little bit more mature or stuff like that, which, I mean, there's no age to design, but I do want to reiterate to you guys that every renovation I do is specifically tailored to the person that I'm renovating for. This is not my style at all. I had a lot of people saying that oh, she's just renovating in her style. No, not my style at all. I actually really don't personally like it, but I can recognize that it's good design. You can see my style behind me. My parents would not be happy if I put my personal style into their space, so it's not my style, it's theirs. As for all of the more modern elements like that, especially the LEDs, I got a lot of comments about those, but just a reminder, when I did the bottom floor of their house, all they wanted was more bars everywhere. So if you haven't learned about my parents yet, that is something that they are interested in. They think all of that modern stuff is really cool. My dad was actually asking me to put in specialty LEDs underneath his bed, so when he stands up at night, it will light up and change color, and that's just what they like, and so I'm gonna put in what they like. I have gotten a lot of questions as well about the budget for this project, and I totally understand that, because typically all of the content that I do is budget-friendly content, and that's what I love to do, and I'll keep doing that. However, that was not really my goal for this project. My parents had basically no budget for this project, only a couple $100s, and they told me just to go crazy with painting the walls and stuff, so I really wanted to surprise them. I have been extremely fortunate because of all of you for this past year, and that's something that I have never personally experienced and my parents have never personally experienced, so I wanted to give back and really support them in that way. And so, just full transparency, since I know a lot of you guys are wondering, it was probably a couple $1,000s to get everything in place. My focus was less so trying to thrift and upcycle things and more so trying to give them those elements that they've always dreamed of and that they would benefit from the most. For me growing up, and also for my parents, it's always been hand-me-downs and thrifted things, and the furniture that they had in their bedroom was actually furniture from our cousins that they gifted to them for free, so I really wanted to give them something new and something special. I think that's everything that you guys have been asking the most. Obviously, leave comments down below. I'll make sure to answer them. I will be uploading at some point, midweek, not my normal upload, but a montage of all of the TikToks together. I just want to make sure that everyone on YouTube has access to all of that content as well. So Also, make sure to subscribe if you have not already. I make renovation content like this all the time. I also do budget DIYs and I make designs for my followers, and it's really fun. I always have new surprise renovations like this coming, so you won't want to miss any of them. But yeah, let's get into the video. Picture in your head what the space used to look like.
Yes.
And on the count of 3, open your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my word!
God.
It's like a whole different room. Oh my gosh! This is amazing. Holy cow.
Oh my God.
This is like,
Wow.
this is nothing like it was. You guys did amazing. This is incredible.
Do you want a little tour? This is the bed, obviously. The headboard is attached to the wall, but it's not against the wall.
Oh, we didn't have a headboard before.
I don't even see the headboard.
That's a new AC.
Yeah.
Oh man, we couldn't have done this. This is amazing.
Yeah, I was just gonna paint it white.
You just slide this.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
And I organized the closet too.
Oh my gosh.
So
Mel found her spot. You like that, Matt? Oh, I like this rug.
you each
Still
have
awesome.
one of these things here, so you don't have to like reach behind the bed to.
Oh, for like, oh, look at that, to plug everything in.
Yeah.
USBs and everything? Oh, that's crazy.
So this mirror opens up,
Oh my gosh.
and that's where all of your jewelry is.
Oh my, I've never seen anything like this.
That is amazing. So cool.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, that's great. Huh? I can't even believe this is the same room.
Yeah, I can't either. It's like shocking.
And the headboard, we never had a headboard. The closet door is still my favorite though. I wanna like open and close that 100 times. How'd you get these paint lines so straight? I can never do that.
Alright, remember what the bathroom used to look like?
Oh, of course we do. Of course we do.
And on the count of 3, open your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Wow, this is great.
This is fantastic. I love the beach.
This is fantastic. That's right.
Wow, did you
Oh,
make
and you
that?
finished Randy's shower, the shower. Wow, Em, this is amazing.
Oh.
Oh, and I like this dark wall.
Oh. Oh, look. Oh my gosh.
This is too much. I love the new light. Better than those Addams Family lights we had.
I know they were really
This is tremendous, guys. We could not have done this. This is incredible.
No, I was gonna paint this white too.
This is so cool. Oh, and it's like really easy to roll.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is awesome. This is amazing.
Extra storage down there.
I can't even believe how easy this rolled. I am so grateful, guys. We couldn't have done anything like this. This is amazing.
No.
Thank you so much. Gosh, you guys are getting so good at this stuff.
Okay, thank you so much.
I hope you guys loved this transformation as much as I did. It has such a special place in my heart, and I'm really excited to show you guys some of my upcoming renovations and also other behind the scenes projects that are happening. Some really exciting things are happening, and we're also working on some new DIYs and organization for my apartment, which means that a full apartment tour will be coming very soon, so I can show you guys all of the organization as well. I also announced in a few different places that I have a dmdiy going on right now, and so I wanted to make sure everyone on YouTube knew that as well, which means that I am taking submissions to like do digital designs for my followers. So if that's something that you're interested in, I have an email specifically for that, or you can message me on Instagram. I typically do this in between renovations when I have a little bit more free time. I just kind of like make little designs for people who have sent me their homes, and then I'll post videos of them either on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, so definitely make sure to check that out. I also have a public Snapchat that I have been posting real time for, so I did that for this renovation and people got to see things before they were even posted, so if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to check that out too. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Welcome to anyone who is new to my channel, and to my vets, I hope you know how much I love and appreciate you. I don't know how to tell you enough that you have truly changed my life, and to be able to do a renovation like this where I can gift it to someone is like something that I've always wanted, and you're giving me that chance to do this, so I don't know how to express my gratitude enough, but I just want you to know that I love you and I'm so grateful for you, and I'll see you guys on next Sunday for some more design stuff. Bye guys!